to another video here today. Today, we are going to be doing another unboxing video. Now, I hope you had a very nice Christmas. I'm actually recording this before Christmas. So, I've still actually got my decorations up, like, yeah. Anyway, you guys will have, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas while I'm recording this. And come on, camera. Yeah, so some gender blocks. No, generally, I generally use blocks of gender to hold up my camera. I'm generally being serious. Just give me a second. There we go, I think I fixed it. Anyway, we're about to decide. We're going to be opening these Top Gun 2 fighter jets. I actually got these for a complete bargain. I was in shop and I literally just looked at them. And it wasn't even a toy shop, and I'm like, how much? That's ridiculously cheap. I both had a voucher, so that's why I got the two of them. I would attempt to read out the names, but as you all know, I am absolutely terrible at reading out names. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I pronounce my own name wrong. Anyway, I've been talking for a while, so I will have a link in the description to get these on Amazon. It won't be like a random eBay bid rank, I promise. The Matchbox, if you can see, one of them just says this, it's the 4 out of 13, right there. And then the other one says 7 out of 15. So, can someone figure out what that means? Anyway, I think I'm going to start out with this one. It's pretty cool. We're all from the new Top Gun movie. I put a bit of information on the back, just to hide the camera and see. Don't want you guys knowing which country I live. Divert during the video. Yeah, we've included input. But this is 2021. It doesn't matter. Anyway, I've been talking for quite a while. I'm gonna open these up. I guess we should try them on the carrier. I think they might be a little bit big for my aircraft carrier, but let's open them up. That came right off. Ooh. They're actually metal. This is actually pretty cool. Actually, roll decently well. The rolling test passes. God, there's a bit of detail on them, like, for what price they were, it's pretty good. The wings are made out of plastic, I think. Or is it just a very odd metal? The main part of the plane is made out of metal because it's cold, and then that's made out of plastic. First you got your screw here, your landing gear, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, how the thrusters of it's like kind of hard to land. Anyway, you can see you've got the thrusters there. That looks pretty cool. It's a little bit blurry. Start, of course, your rockets there. You got like little. I've got no idea what these mean because I thought these actually came up before the film and I've not seen it yet. So, got a bird there. Pretty cool. Of course, it's all blacked out, so we should probably move on to the next one. Probably have a landing gears down. Like, there's a little bit of like room there. Pretty solid as well. Number 7, you know, a little bit of underneath detail. Oh, that's actually a key piece of detail. There's only one side there. But the real F-14s. Anyway, I've got no idea how I'm going to manage to land these. But let's move on to this one. This one looks like a bit more like... This one... I don't really know what to say. There's all more details on the wings. Like... I'm trying to see inside the cab a little bit. Anyway, let's open this up. Oh, this one didn't come off as easy. Come on. Find the sweet spot. Oh, the other one came up much easier. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Right. They feel about the same. Just not. I'm throwing both with the right hand. This one feels slightly heavier. That's odd. So as you can see, same detail underneath. This one just it didn't move a little bit. That's actually pretty. No, it's bad, but that's actually good. It means if you drop it, there's a smaller chance of landing the abrasion. Cause same back detail, but the main detail is here. You can just see all the little components and things all over this one. Cause the cab's kind of see through. You can't really see inside of it. And then same details there. Same rockets. Of course, you also have the vents here. Didn't really notice that. Right there. So they're pretty cool. Quite like them. Right. That was just for an example. Let's just put them in the background here. Background. They're pretty good, right? And if I was to grab another point for comparison, this one was in the Battle of the Assist when I'm stop motion videos. If I was to take this one and compare them, this is definitely an improvement in detail from that. Of course, these are still decent quality, but that's next level of detail. So I should get 2 of them, which means could do some dog fights or something with them. I'm gonna put that back down now. Again, that's a comparison of them to the size of a supply truck, but they're still really detailed for what they are. Good price as well, like I said. There'll be links in the description. Oh, my gym just coming loose again. There we go. Anyway, put the back in the drawer. Got a massive drawer of military vehicles. I would show you it, but that's a video for another day. But I'm gonna need to find my carrier. Okay, so I've got my carrier out. I haven't checked my bed or anything. Just that's so blue under there, so it's pretty different ocean. Fun fact. Part of me there's a way how you can put this down. Because in the recording, for those who noticed, there was actually a tank sitting there. And that was only there to weigh it down. And apparently right after the film, and I didn't even know this, I've had this carrier for years. Apparently there's a way how you can put this on. My mum literally come in, and you've barely ever seen it, and she literally just put it in, and I'm like, how did you do that? I've literally had this carrier for years. Anyway. Ooh. Just zoom on. So it's not gonna lie, they actually got more detail than the carrier. They fit on the poster. But I didn't. Didn't know I could turn my light on while recording. I need to know. Actually fit pretty well. Look pretty good, you know. Tried that with the view. Doesn't know of a giant shark in the background. Do you slide down? Well, a little bit too big to slide down, but again, I never really slide them down anyway. Do it sideways? You could. Nah, too big. Nope, back up. There we go. If you put them on the runway, there's actually a little bit of plastic which digs in, you have to put your fingernail in there, and that's actually pretty good for some of these points, just they're kind of walk on there. They look pretty genuine on the carrier, that was just to put them on. That was pretty genuine. Like I said, the jet's actually more realistic than the actual carrier. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. That was coming in for a landing here, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I can imagine them. They'll definitely be used in future stop motion videos. I can imagine myself, instead of putting these in a drawer, I can imagine myself just probably keeping them over there. In all the Christmas lights, please. But yeah, I think that's going to end it up with these videos. I will have a link for the points in the description. I'll probably also have a link to some of the other points, because these are 2 F-15s. no, F12. I believe it's an F15. I was sitting at Amazon after I got them, and I'm like, I got these. The ones on Amazon, like, where I got them. I went on Amazon, I found out they were more than double the price. So, yeah, pretty good with that. Anyway, that's going to end the video here today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Extra juice. And yeah. They're actually really detailed. Quite like them. Well, I really like them actually. They're like the most detailed bit of just a second. What was that? Oh well. Again, another video for another day. So one back around. Oh, sorry about. Yeah. They're pretty detailed compared to my 10. One of the most detailed after all. Spin it back around. Put it in there. Spin it back around. Don't hit. Out. Bad. Oh, by the way, how do you want my bombs? Right. Anyway, that's gonna end the video again. I said that like a minute ago. Again, I'm famous for just talking about random stuff. I did that in the first video. I did that in the second video. And I still do that to this very day. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, link in the description and comments. There will be a survey down there as well, channel survey. Just want to know your opinion on my channel. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. And stay speedy.